Hollywood Studios morning. Nope, that's wrong.
You embarrass me.
We're going to Epcot and we're wearing matching shirts. We never said we'd do it, but we're doing it. They say drink around the world.
I'm gonna get drunk all day.
So we're gonna go do that and then probably come back, take a siesta, pack up our stuff for the Poly, and then head back for Guardians Lightning Lane.
Oh my god, I'm so excited.
Here we go.
I'm so excited.
We hope you enjoyed your journey, and thank you for flying the Disney Skyliner.
Officially rope dropped Remy's. I made really nice friends. We're making friends with a lot of old couples today. And it's kind of, or not today, but in the trip in general. Julio says I can't go anywhere without.
I can't leave you alone with people because you'd become friends with them. And I'm like, then I gotta introduce myself and tell them what I do for a living for like the 30th time to random strangers.
I'm just a friendly gal. So now we are doing our first multi-pass of the day. We're going to Frozen, and Julio's never rode Frozen. I'm so excited.
Never.
I'm so excited.
I'm told that it's like Pirates meets
Mickey and Minnie's.
Mickey and Minnie's.
We're walking through Africa right now. So we're gonna go to Arendelle and go hang out with Olaf and Spenny.
And that little snowman guy.
I just said Olaf.
Oh, that's his name? Oh yeah, that's his name, yeah. Olaf.
All right. The Epcot ball. There we go.
There it is.
The Epcot ball has joined us for our first meal. We got champagne. We're gonna cheers. Oh, that's good.
That's good.
And then we got a cheddar something scone, salmon, creme fraiche, caviar, and a crab sandwich slaw situation.
Spicy crab.
Spicy crab. I feel like I should have got a fork and a knife for this one.
That was good. It's part of the
Sure?
experience.
Should I put it on top?
Yeah, just squish it down. There you go. Here,
Feels
you
like
want this? Hold it together?
Sure.
There you go. Boom. Alright, try your thing. Let's see how it tastes like. Oh,
That's really good.
it's good? There you go.
It tastes like a fancier lox.
Egg McMuffin.
No, egg McMuffin. That's really good.
Nope. There's like lime taste at the end.
Is there?
Yeah.
Alright, do you want to try this one first?
Absolutely.
Lime
No,
munch. You want me to?
Yeah, go ahead. Yep.
Alright, it's like a, look at, you can see his little legs. Okay. Oh yeah, there's like a spicy sauce. Okay.
There you go, take a bite. What do we got? What's the verdict? It's good? As good as this or no?
That one's better.
This one's better.
I just like it better because I like salmon.
Alright, let's see. Let's see what the hype's about. Lady said that her husband got 2 of these, right?
Yeah. It's
So,
good. The
yeah.
sauce, you're gonna like the
One
sauce.
of the staff members here said that her husband got 2 of these. So, let's see what the hype's about.
See what's about. That's like all the slaw. There we go. That was tasty.
I like it.
I like it too.
Yeah.
It kind of tastes like the sushi we get in like sandwich form.
Yeah.
This is my favorite though.
This is really good.
Yeah.
I like it. I like it a lot.
You like this one too?
I like a bite of both of them. You know? Because when you're in Epcot, we got literally like the best seat here. The balls will back, people. Come on. Come on. Who doesn't like the balls?
And the
There you
weather's
go.
really
Yeah.
nice. I did forget my sunscreen and my fan.
No.
And I'm such a over-prepared, so I really screwed up this time.
Horrible.
So good. Oh, wait.
Everybody gets to shine bright. Let's be clear our girl. Whoa, she let us here so many years ago.
The best drink. And we got 3 of them.
Technically, you got 2 and I got 1 for myself.
Frozen French martini.
Okay. Viva la France.
Oh my god. It's really the best drink.
It's delicious, man. I'm taking it to go.
A very rainy Animal Kingdom day. I'd rather be in the rain at Disney than not be at Disney though, so here we go. One last time. We're riding dinosaur. R.I.P. I actually really love this ride. Julio's never rode it, so where is he? He's very excited. Hi!
Once again, train those who are making Zimmer babies off heading to the environmental display and mission
All right, last couple moments in Animal Kingdom, and we're riding Dino one more time because everything's basically a walk-on because it's cold and it's rainy. So here we go. We just rode Dino for probably the last time, but they let us ride it 3 times in a row. So say goodbye to Dino. Adios.
That's awesome.
That was a very magical memory that I'm sure we will never forget.
These photos are awesome.
We made it to the Polynesian. Ooh, oh. Very nice. We have 2 bathrooms?
Oh, thank God. Thank you.
So nice.
Wow. It smells so nice in here. Oh my God.
Nice view of the parking lot. So nice. Okay, little tour. We've got shower number 1. Hold on, I'll turn this on. We got a toaster, a microwave, mini fridge. What's in here? Closet space. And then bathroom.
2 bathrooms.
Number 2, hi.
Awesome. Good.
Full length mirror. Very cute. Love.